All right, guys. A company I want to talk about that has been extremely beaten down in the food and tobacco industry, coming into the tariffs coming in on Monday, coming in next week here. It's February 2nd, so February 3rd. The ticker I want to talk about is CHSN, as it went massively down. It was $6, and now we're at like 50 cents. So without further ado, let's go into the chart. Let's see what's happening. Let's see if this is finally a buy zone. So I want to say, usually when you see these big dumps, you can go straight to the profile, and I guarantee you it would be either Chinese or biotech. And when you do that, you will see right in here China. Biotechs and China stocks will do these massive pumps and dumps. You can get into these massive pumps though on the flip side, which is really nice. Look at this massive candle going up over 387% in one day. But you got to be understand is these are not stocks you want to hold for a very long time. These are stocks you want to get in and out. Especially with the tariffs happening, I think this is going to be very effective. So when I'm looking at this, I want to make this video ahead of time to be like, we had this big drop down, so we know the EMAs are going to lag. With my strategy, if you guys know it, and if you're in this Discord right in here, you understand everything I look for and I alert these kind of plays. And if you want to join, click the link down below. But I'm going to discuss in the YouTube comments below to join. But I'm going to discuss this company, see what we have. But the first thing first with the technical analysis is, our first target is this EMA 5. And we can see what's that target from here to here. Well, you're looking at a nice, juicy 76% gain. This EMA 5 is going to go down every day. So what I like to do is I give it the EMA 5 time distance rule. And that basically makes you just not catch a falling knife. And so right here, you can see this candle hit the EMA 5. So, and all these candles are not touching it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I like to see, with this big kind of drop, I would like to see at least 8 days not touching it. Around the 8 to 10 mark is where I would look to add size. And based on that alone, I can't do that. I like to also look at the KDJ. That is an important stochastic oscillator that will help you catch precise bottoms. Look at it right now. It's at 559. Let's go back to when the big drop happened. Look at this reading. Down here, it's at 58.39. You might be like, wow, that is really high. It is really high. I would never buy it on this big drop down here. And I know a lot of people would be like, wow, that's a big discount though. $6 and now it's trading at 78 cents. Still, wouldn't buy that. All right, so right in here is that big drop down. It goes down 87%. And then right here is the K of 39, then 26, then 18, and then 12, 10, 8, and 5. So every day that it goes down, it's been, having a drop of the K value. We haven't really had, we had a small green day there, but everything else has been red. So with my analysis, I would love to see if price can come to this lower band. This gives me the best buy signal with time distance from the EMA 5 and a low K value. So this is a high quality alert that's going to come in that can make you guys massive money. Let's see if we ever hit this lower band in previous days of trading. But look at these massive pumps it does. I mean, $1 to 18. If you can stick through the dumps here, but this is why I say use this system to make sure you get very close to these entry marks. I'm not seeing anything there, but also when we look at the volume, this thing has had some pretty nice volume throughout here. But as you can see right here, another factor I look for is there at least a million volume. If there's not enough volume to be traded, I don't want this. You can see right in here, we are getting through at least a million volume, which is really nice to see. So, like I said, first target is the EMA 5. I would not aim for this EMA 10. When you are in a downtrend, all you have to see is price below the EMAs. You have the 50 and the 20 at the very highest. Those are very solid EMAs. That considers downtrend. That means this downtrend can last for quite some time. You don't want to fight this downtrend unless you know what you're doing, and this system can help you find precise bottoms. This Chinese stock has been known to make massive pumps. This is the stock that looks ready and primed to go up. Now you might ask, well, the K is at 5.59. What are you looking for? Under 3. Or as close as possible to 3. So I want to get as close as possible to 3, and I want to see as price as close as possible to this lower band here. I'm looking for around 8 days of not touching the 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to give it with this big drop down, I can see it taking at least 10 days climbing back up. So, if I give it 2 more days, we can try to see something here, but you can, I also like to see this. Look at this interesting analysis here. You see this volume candles here? Right here, this is a very good sign that we're bottoming out. We have big volume here, sell volume, going lower, 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 and lower, and then now we got some green. So obviously with the tariffs coming in Monday, I think the market's gonna go down. I think this is, gonna take some beating. But if you look at this lower band, it's at 43 cents. Price is currently at 50. I would like to get everything under that mark there. And I think we can really, if we really just wait for this lower band to get touched, this is going to give you the best entries. And this is how you catch bottom reversals, not when the majority of retail traders see this go down 86% and everyone's buying it. That's not when you buy it. And then it goes down 20% and then down, 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 down. You want to do the opposite of retail traders do. A lot of retail traders are impatient, so they buy this first drop down. But you're telling price to literally go here and then instantly hit this EMA5. That's not going to happen. That's really what you're trying to do. And this right here is you wait for price to kind of cool down. Obviously, when sellers are dying out, buyers are going to step in. We got some green volume coming in on the buy side, so that's good to see. We had the sell volume decreasing. And so this system allows you to catch bottom reversals. And if you're watching this video, you like to catch stocks that are at the bottom, this is my strategy on how to trade against the trend. If you guys would like to learn more about it, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. If you guys want to join the membership, hit the free chat. You'll come to this free chat landing page. When you open that link up for my Discord, if you want to join the membership, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts, and it's not going to cost you an arm and leg. It's going to be probably the most affordable service you had. That's going to give you the best education, and then realistic results and how to properly trade. Okay, the purpose of this Discord is not just to give you signals like a lot of other Discords, which we do. It'll be sent to your phone, but it's also to teach you guys why I take the trades, and I discuss all this in the education. But if you hit day trade alerts, you'll have access to everything for, get this, for this month only, $12 a month. If you subscribed, watch this video, and you like what you see, you guys are going to be astonished. You guys are going to learn a lot. $12 a month is like nothing. That's just to say, hey, I'm committed. I'm going to watch the videos. I'm going to learn. And once you're committed, you're going to want to succeed instead of just having spoon fed. But obviously, if you have work and everything, I'll tell you guys, hey, I like the chart for CHSN now, and you can look at it and you'll be like, yeah, I see why he likes it, as this fits a bottom reversal. We're getting hit this bottom Keltner channel, which is extremely overextended or oversold with my settings, which you'll have my settings in the swing trading education video right in here, how to use my indicators. But everything looks good. Everything looks promising. I don't obviously this is going to get hit hard with the tariffs, but then that is finally becoming a buying opportunity, because remember, we don't buy this with a big candle like this. We're not buying this till around 8 daily candles away from the EMA5, and we're not buying this till we have a K value of around the 3. So hope you guys learned a lot on this video. If you guys want to learn more, click the Discord link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned, and you guys are going to learn a lot, okay? I want you guys to be successful. Let's make a lot of money. Happy trading. And if you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And I'll see you guys next week. And I'll be also doing live streams. So if you're in the Discord, make sure you click the live stream link. I'll let you guys know when I go live. All right, guys. Happy trading, and peace out.